Asɛm wɔ hɔ yɛ ɔmpɛ nipa. Asɛm mpɛ nipa. Asɛm mpɛ nipo. Nipa na pɛ ne ho asɛm. Medɔfo papa panyin bi ɛkɔka ntɔkwa bi a in fact saa ntɔkwa wei ne deɛ menim sɛ ɛpae a gye sɛ yɛfrɛ abɔfoɔ firi heaven ɛna ɛbɛgyina no mu pata because sɛdeɛ nyɛ nim no Kevin Taylor ɔyɛ number one stopper, one shatter, ɔsilence obiara. But papa wei abɛ reply Kevin Taylor asɛm a ɔka fa nurses foɔ ho after sɛ ɔmo anaso sɛ yɛtwa alawa mu no. Asma Kevin Taylor ɛkaeɛ no papa wei so abɛ reply abɛbɔ gumbi ɛne superment ɛne firement mekyerɛ ɔbɛyɛ kanadwene ɛda kyerɛ Kevin Taylor aha yɛ Penyah blog media mɛsrɛ wa sɛ ɔbɛ like video no na ɔbɛbɔ subscribe button so na ɔbɛ click bell notification icon so na ɔbɛkyerɛ w'adwene ɛde ama me ɛwɔ comment section. Nansi mu yɛde Haruna Idrisu honorable yɛ appointing as education minister no ɛna information ɛba abɔnten na ɔrekyerɛ mu sɛ alawa ne deɛ wɔyi alawa no afiri hɔ na mmom ɔde student loan ana abɛhyɛ anan ɛti sɛ wo ne woyɛ serious ɛsɛ wɔ ni abere so pɛsɛ ɔkɔ school na ɛne alawa wɔtwam but kɔgye loan sɛ nyam yɛ adwene na ɔkɔ school no wie na aban pustiwa na wɔtuatua loan no kakrakra ayɛ sɛ na it make sense. Na saa asɛm wei ɛna Kevin Taylor ɛbɛ making a comment on that.
Ghana where we SS opesa okɔ nursing training opesa okɔ teacher training now say aban emma wo ɛyɛ alawanti nkwa kofie ɔmo a ɔmo pɛsɛ ɔmo gye loan no ewie ma aban si hospital mo kom no ɔmo bɛgye loan no and so at this point you cannot negotiate. It is loan. You are entitled to loan. And I agree with Haruna Idrisu. All students at tertiary institutions are more access to loan. Go and take loan. Government is not going to feed anybody again. Majority of more school, we am kokurane mrewa. Aban mbehwe SS4 and some trading college for no. Say no tira beto atia MPP NDC. The way is your front. Yes. Don Mahama ontwa obi antro. Haruna Idrisu is right on track. Oshana too much ma waja school no kofo kura pe school na ba. Na ma me ne mo papa mo no bubu o mo pa no o mo responsibility ne den. O de akwara ba school our access to loan was aban sama ne sika nto no ho kofo nyoma megu store mo bodam. Wa wontumi nko school no trefie. Omo ama ready so mbeji loan no omo nko school no omo nko ji loan no omo wi a aban de omo den omo alawa ne bebi hospital abo ma akọ edwuma eno ano no mo nko fie nko mu provisions mbrefie school. Ah, yes, some of my penny falling kokura moto fufu dwere energy training colleges ka kire say ai alawa ma ye ntiasia mo bodam obia ma obia free food organa biem mu wi a na ma alawa nkwasiafo na mu bi mo de TikTok di nkwasiasam mo ja alawa na mo de gu TikTok koton kwasia data kohwe nkwasia jantra nyoma mo gigi scanner na mo de cover provisions agogo mu store mu ofie na aban bre na nipsika ye hia de ya de pa na ye nya me say wow, nursing training college, or teacher training college. Haruna Idrisu say, I buy video be a BM Koji loan. Osi anunti won tiasia jai school no. Obia mpo obia chow. Masa, so won tiasia kono the way is your front. E kwan da wanim no free school ho. Obi kra tifie pe school ni mu aba. When you sika koto perfume gugu ho. When you sika koto pons twiwanim, u change draws every week. O person na say fe. The biano, which I was scared no, yen some would be an indi ubodam. Nursing training colleges, omunina a high dine, omunti campus umpo. Ube nursing no a high chamber hall, not krum. On te campus o. Obeko or tebema so, your man chop money and opa, chop money area, obeko teacher training niba, okono or posam quine, I'm a taxi driver, I saw bodam. Me say, Obo nursing training ni akwara na ote be ma fie posan kwan aso abodam owios me palawa abuofunu wakoye nkwan de oto akogye o palawa wo ene ho loan ho kogye omo nyina rent dan obekọ no makoto TV abubom no mababa omo nem omo hwe Champions League ye de agiminti ye tuata kra ne ataba ma osa alawa mu nyina mo nkomo ma me ho se ma ye ko school ma esike de beto aduane aban se loan so ho ntia akogye ni bia ka ho mo bodam ehia wa trefie ye mfo hia nko school me so kwato sa girls we ni boys we obi o ha or nursing training na bia o fosu nursing training ko he dan awa hai efie wura no ukona girl we bon kwan ubo kako na kako pie firi kwan mu ubo tese eneme won kwan mu nyine twa 7 ubo se akokọ abotwe na pie kako ubo se superku yiniti nursing training wajala wa bo superku kwan abuofunu na ete ha na yebre na papa na obu ni pande wo no ontumo ska go school ko didi aban se ko gi loan owia no mia skirt wato so no atwa so odu jompe na le kwan atofo no peja na de turu mu da ho be man say yay hu ofo o se we ni school ni wo o nursing training on cap on tip brofo. The participation of the parties in kwasi abrofo or nursing training college on tip brofo.
So the Kevin ebe fire ya fire nurses for no kwasi omuti school mu sua hwe mu ko teno ko date ko twempena ko bo super kunkwai mo ko bo super kunkwai amu sua hwe na mo pese sa mo wala wadi David sa de ye nya ne sa comment a Kevin Taylor MI ana papa bi afre no rock e wo TikTok app ni so ono so abeke kana adwene pa e de a kire Kevin Taylor in fact entokwa papa we a starting de ano ohye
is going to Kevin Taylor plus in bosses. Look, no any student go to school to be a nurse because of alawa. No any parents say my daughter, my son, I hear something that they call alawa, so go and take nurse's form. Even the form they buy it. Do you understand me? So you get no right. It be the politicians who promise them all these things. It be them write it into their constitution. And it be them use that words and confuse them. Then they never go ask anybody. Alawa. They did their day. The nurses did their day. It be the politician. But listen to me. MPs, ministers, they get sleeping allowances. They get petrol allowances, travel allowances, esh gratia. Before they get fork allowances. Before they get what? Sleeping in the parliament allowances. So why? If you don't want to give them, do it professional. From today going, we cancel nurses allowance. Not that you go come sit down. Then you the talking. Now Papa na watu pano is going to show you to see. Your boss be where I know. Where it be false, no. Where they behind your agenda, no. The whole nurses, if the sheeter, when they fly the sheeter, it pass inside your mouth to your boss. The one who give you permit to be insulting people. The one who give you license. Say you call Kevin Taylor. You can insult anybody. If you be Ghana command, if you the control the president. You there you can insult any tribe and go free. You there you can say something to unless then they go free. By you there for listening to you. The one will motivate you. Say you are best. Yen you now public on a power numa and spiti go on manu because you can't take, we are children of God. You can't take us for granted. Penyah omutiti V8 muse omu presidential what no omu petrol allowances omu travel allowances omu hospital allowances and sana S Gresha abuaba Kevin Taylor unkodana bisa obi alawa called the whole Ghana and Mbisa so omu be ko school and now omu ne omu mami no omu papa enya alawanti na obi person nurse and ye penyifo na trans ahihye akọ promise innocent girls we are uyiya omu no nani na omu ji egasa na nurse ni beko anajo duty anopa no abafie onu de oni egrasha o na nkrofo na akọ promise omu no na o my employ now what papa ya ni winning to say guarantee u boss aye ni fruit to say banku bia ya poto na nkanye kuro bia o madwiye less thinking na force ya che atwatwene a package ya to bail mu ATS ya kwako puaba ama Ibrahim Tore move forward Mali move forward Niger omunyina move forward wanya density Oma bisamu alawa enya mu na mako promise omo enya penyifo no na etimi afford nurses for no V8 for no Bragadia for muntimi trotro driver muntimi taxi driver muntimi enya penyifo no na asisa sika say san koda no enti anopa we no aho Nkoda no na wa ye omo no. Omo bi omo liwia e fa wanum na akopia that fucking boss. Na num o boss o silly guy.
Ejabusia mekura me hu video ni misuro ma papa we. Ese Kevin Taylor pa mi nim no de. We number 1 shatter, number 1 stopper, 1,000. Na papa wo kwa kikansi be fa Kevin Taylor ho de na papa yi ubet ma kire wa dwene e wo comment section. Me yeso ebusia for mesere ma na video we de. Mama ma Kevin Taylor ehunye sa papa we wa wu. Kevin Taylor hu video we papa we no wa bo na me na no abetum. Ubet ma kire wa dwene e wo comment section. Aha Penyah blog media. Accra.